Hey guys, we finally got the Florio back to the house, and today I'm going to see if I can get her started. So I've been told that the running gear in this car actually is pretty good and runs. The only problem is the brakes aren't working or something like that. We're going to have to check that out, and also the fuel tank needs some fixing, and it's not actually connected. So the feed line and return line are actually in the front here. And I've also been told that that it has an electronic fuel pump. So I think we should be able to do a bit of a dodgy and actually get this thing started. Might check the oil and coolant first though, and connect battery. But yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so just checking the oil level. All right, let's have a look. That doesn't look too bad. Let's see where the level is. All right, it's just above max actually. It's not too high above it, so I think it should be right. We'll see how it goes. Check if there's any coolant in the thing. Ah yes, heaps. Cool, looks like it's full. Alright, should be right. To attempt to start up at least. Also, what I like to do is these old carbies, if it hasn't been started for a while, just use the carby cleaner to help get it started. So I'm going to do that. Alright, let's get that connected. Let's see if we can get this one connected as well. Alright guys, so here I am going to be using this Jerry as a miniature fuel tank by adding the fuel feed and return lines to it. And with the battery and fuel pump connected, we should hopefully be able to start this thing. Safety first though guys, I do have a fire extinguisher nearby, another pirate helper, and also all the windows and the roller door open for this, but I wouldn't really recommend anyone copy what I'm doing here. Yeah, it's a little bit dodgy, but I think it should work. Alright, first try. gonna be cranking up all the way so that my house doesn't stink. Alright, so I'm gonna start packing up now, but yeah, in the next video we're gonna go through, see if we can fix some of these issues and actually get her out on the road, possibly. Might be a little bit off that, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, see you next time.